Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined on App Store or iTunes Store. Guys, if you're facing this issue, then keep watching this video till the end. Firstly, make sure your debit or credit card allow for international payments. If is not, then use different payment method and go to a bank and apply for a new card which is allow for international payment and add your payment method. Method 1. Make sure you enough money on your account for purchasing or update apps. Make sure you enough money in your account for purchasing the apps. Solution 2. Use different payment method. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on Apple ID username at top of the page. Tap on Payment and Shipping. Tap on card you want to remove. Tap on Edit from top right corner. Tap on red delete button. Then tap on Remove in pop-up window. Tap on Add Payment Method. Enter your debit or credit card number. Enter your expiry. Enter your CVV. Enter your billing address. Enter first name, surname. Enter your street. Enter your city. Enter your postcode or zip code and enter your phone number. Tap on Done. Solution 3. Check your payment information. Check your debit or credit card number. Check expiry, CVV number or billing address. If your debit or credit card is expired or out of date, then maybe you facing your payment method was declined. If your debit or credit card is expired, then add a new card. Solution 4. Contact Apple Support. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.